It's another exciting moment on Surrego, sponsored by Goldmine Aroma. What are we making today? We are basically making ASUN today. And let me introduce you to it and explain what it is to you. ASUN is basically burnt goat meat that is cooked in pepper sauce with onion garnished. Do you understand? Oh, so what I just did about mine is I buy my goat meat, most of my groceries, I do it in African market here. So I do it mostly in Wazobia. So I go to Wazobia, they will already have the label, they tell you this is a burnt goat meat. And peradventure you buy it any other place and you're not sure whether it's burnt, you don't know whether it's been burnt, you just go and put it on your grill. Put the back on your grill, let it smell smoky. Or put it in your oven, let it smell smoky before you cut it into pieces. It's actually a snack that could be eaten in bits, you know, before you cut it into pieces and cook. So let's get ready now. It's exciting, guys. Welcome back. Sit down, relax. Let's go into it. Let's go do it. All right. So this is my goat meat. It has already been burnt, cut into pieces, washed. And this is my habanero. My habanero, basically, I might be using 10. I'll take you through each steps on how it's been made. And don't forget your seasoning. So what kind of seasoning do you want to do? I do my Goldmine soup mix aroma. And I'm not going to tell you lie, guys. People are rushing this product. Everything is already been taken care of. You don't need to bother about your salt, your seasoning, your spices, your herb. Oh, everything is all in one. So you have everything put together. You just need to go through the measurement and put it in your soup and that is ready, or your sauces. Yes, guys, this is what I mean by cook it in its own water. Can you see? The water is so much that it has to dry with it. And peradventure, when you're cooking it and the water dry and you see test the goat meat and you see hard, the skin is still hard, add some water to it. We'll be checking. It's about 10 minutes now on fire. And it has so much water on its own. Let the water cook it by itself. So with the oil, fry your onions. Add the pepper, the crushed habanero, add it, fry. Let it be thoroughly fried about 10 minutes on fire. Alright guys, ASUN is ready now. As sincerely, it's really spicy. So guys, have a taste of it, download it. Follow us, subscribe, shares and like, and as usual I will always put every detail at the description below so that you can get steps by steps on how it's been made. So thank you very much, and please, we are one call away for orders. Kindly click on the notification button so that anytime I upload any new video, you will be notified. Thank you very much and have a great one. Bye.